So what I have seen, it's not exactly the same. This is not what business has requested in most of my projects. What business request is, it should be a level approval, but whenever it goes to the level 2 approval, it should always go, this person has approved. If it is going to this person, first this and this. If it is going to this person, let's say it's a VP level, first this need to approve, then this need to approve, and then this need to approve. It should not never directly jump to this guy, ki bhaiya, VP, you directly approve. However, my project manager and senior manager has not approved. It should be always stage step-by-step process. In these conditions, what is happening? It is skipping the above conditions. So this is the way you need to write the conditions correctly. What conditions can be written here? You can written here if the PO order is greater than, let's say everything need to be approved, greater than or equal to 0. So any purchase order which will be created will be meeting this criteria. Your purchase order value is more than 0. So this approval would be always first approval. This would be always first approval. And rather than maintaining it between 1000 and 2000, you should maintain is the PO value is greater than $1,000. So in this case, what will be happening if you are creating a purchase order of $1,500? This situation is met. It is more than 0. So this will approve. 1,500 is more than $1,000. So this also need to approve. First, this need to approve. Then this need to approve. It will go into the 2 stages step by step. And the third, you need to mention it if the greater than $2,000. In this case, what would be happening? You have created a purchase order, let's say of $5,000. You have created a purchase order of $5,000. So this $5,000 is greater than 0. This has been met. This need to approve. Once he has approved, then system will check this condition. It is also greater than 1,000. Then this also need to approve. Then it will come to this third condition where it is greater than 2,000. Then this also need to approve. So it will step by step. Once this clear, it will jump to this. Once this clear, it will jump to this. That is the staged approach. Generally, I have seen which business wants. It does not want to your higher level approval peoples, your directors, VPs, when the lower people has not checked it or approved it. Makes sense?
Okay. Can I ask a question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. On this hierarchical approval still, how do we achieve if the value of the PO is say 1,000, but we want at least 3 persons to approve it, the same value, 1 PO, but we want the hierarchical approval. 3 different persons have been nominated. It is not really, it's hierarchical, but different from the scenario you just gave us, because that's the one I've seen.
You are right that the situation would not be that simple. It would be generally, you know, that I have feel that where this release strategy or workflow has been put in the implementation project, we need to put a person separately, dedicatedly to work on only the release parts of the document. So it would be like that first level, it is these 4 people. And then when it goes to the next level, it is these 3 people. And then when it goes to the next level, it can be those 2 people. And when it goes to the final level, generally, when you go into up the hierarchy, I'm just showing up downwards. But when you go up the hierarchy, the number of people will be reducing it. Yeah, then there is a 1 people. Now you would be having these people can approve when it is more than $0. You would be able to see that whether all these 4 need to approve or one of them need to approve. Both scenario can be there. You can say that it should go to this person when this said okay, when this said okay, when this said okay, when this said okay, all 4 has been approved, then it will be going into the next condition. Or you can say that only out of this, only 1 guy has approved. it will move to the next one.
Hmm.
It will move to the next one. From here also, only one has approved, it will move to the next one. For this, here you say, the both need to approve. Then it will go to the next one. So these kind of permutation combination, you would be
Hmm.
able to maintain. We'll see in the next step. Under the step level, we'll be maintaining it. These kind of permutation combination you can maintain.
Okay, good. Thanks.